So today is the day of TLC, just a bit of maintenance on this bad boy right here. So I'm gonna take it apart and clean it up and check if anything needs to be replaced. Alright, let's do this. So it's a bit dirty, needs to be cleaned up. I'll remove all of this gunk in here. And as you can see, it's full of gunk here too. So I'll get rid of all of this. So I normally always use compressed air to clean my sauce, but I don't have it right here, and that's why I'm sticking with old-fashioned methods. I'm just gonna remove the U-ring in here. And then what you want to do is check that the sprocket, check if the sprocket needs changing. So you want to look for the tail marks on here, see if it needs to be changed. And I might just change this sprocket. Clean in here, that's pretty important too. You want to keep that nice and clean so you're sure that your chain brake always works. Some grass in there, and then check your needle. Sure when you replace the chain that the bar is on the tensioning screw, so that when you tighten it up like this, it will push out the bar. There we go. we don't want to do that just yet. So you want to hold up the bar, push it out a bit to get the right tension here, and then tighten until it touches the bottom of the bar, and then tighten it. And it should be able to run pretty freely. This is nice. Bear in mind that when the chain is hot, it will expand a bit, so you might need to tighten up the chain once more, and then when you're done working, it's a good idea to loosen up the chain so that when it tightens up again, it doesn't break your saw. I'm also checking that the chain catcher is fine. We don't want that to be broken off in any way. Another very important thing you want to do when you're cleaning up your saw or doing maintenance is to clean your air filter. There we go. Look at this, it's so dirty. So when you're cleaning the air filter, you want to make sure that you clean it from the inside out. And clean it with compressed air. This is my compressed air today. Clean it up in here too. Get the string out all the way, and then just check that it is as it should be. This looks fine. Nothing wrong with that string at all. Alright, so now that it's clean, I'm just going to put it back together. Looking good. Alrighty. Look at him. He's looking so good. That's it. Look how pretty he is. So clean. Oh, he's a bit dirty. There we go. So I hope you liked today's video, and remember to follow me on Instagram at Femalelumberjack. That's Femalelumberjack.